Okay, 10.3 sound intensity, exercise 3, number 1. Loudspeaker radiates sound wave uniformly in all direction. At the distance 5 meter, the intensity of the sound is 0.35 watt per meter square. Calculate the power of the loudspeaker. So, based on equation of intensity, so I is equal to power over area. So area, as you know, for the sound intensity that cover the area in the sphere. Okay, so that's why we can change this formula equal to P, area is 4 pi r square. Okay, means that the area of the sphere. Okay, sphere. Alright, so the power of the loudspeaker means that P, intensity is given 0.35. Power, and then divided by area of the sphere. R is 5 meter. Power of 2. And then we get the power is equal to 110 watt. Okay. So next, the sound intensity at the distance of 7 meter from the source. Sound intensity 7 meter. Tapi power dia lah sama lah. Power dia tak berubah. Sebab dia guna loudspeaker yang sama. Okay. So, based on equation, I is equal to P over area. So, area is changing. Intensity should be changed also. So, 4 pi 7 power of 2. So, power here is 110. Okay, sebab kita guna loudspeaker yang sama. Okay, so that's why power dia constant. Right, so substitute the value and then we get the sound intensity is 0.179 watt per meter square. Okay, so next, number 2. Okay, a small source emits sound wave with power output of 80 watt. Okay, number 2, a small source emits sound wave with the power output of 80 watt. Find the intensity 3 meter from the source. Okay, untuk A dulu. A is equal to intensity is equal to power divided by area. So, power is 4 pi r square. And then power given is 80 watt divided by 4 pi. R is 3 meter power of 2. And then we get the value of intensity when this is placed at 3 meter. 0.707 watt per meter square. Okay, so next is question B. Okay, at what distance would the intensity be 1/4 at mass as it is at the R3 meter? So means that if let's say the intensity is 0.707 watt per meter square, so the distance should be 3 meter. Okay, when 1/4 intensity, so where should the position? Macam itulah maksud dia. Okay, so apa yang kita boleh compare dekat sini? Okay, apa yang boleh compare dekat sini? Saya letak macam ni je lah. Tak payah masuk nilai pun tak apa. You just buat perkadaran. I suka perkadaran guna ni je. Okay, so kita tengok what is relationship between intensity and the distance. Okay, yang kita tahu. Okay, based on yang kita tahulah. I is directly proportional with 1/r square. Tapi dia adalah inversely proportional with r square. Kan? Jadi kalau saya pernah cakap dulu, kalau dia punya susunan ni atas dan bawah tak sama, bukan directly proportional lah, inversely proportional dengan r square, susunan you akan jadi I1 over I2 akan sama dengan r kuasa 2 R kuasa 2 Nampak tak dia punya nombor ni tak directly proportional? Ni maksud dia inversely proportional punya relation. Yang you boleh buat direct, tak payah you kira satu-satu. Okay, dia terpulang. Ada banyak cara yang you boleh buat. Okay, tapi cara ni saya rasa yang paling senang lah. Okay, so saya masukkan nilai. This one is I1. This one is I2. Okay, so I1 yang ni akan jadi R1 lah. Yang ni akan jadi R2. Okay, so based on this equation, so I1 is I gantikan I lah. Okay, I1. And I2 sama dengan 1/4 I1. Nampak tak? Okay, so equal with R2 power of 2, tak tahu. Okay, R1 power of 2 kita tahu adalah 3. Okay, so now kita nak cari, so ni akan jadi 1 bahagi 1/4 lah. 1 bahagi 1/4. Ni pun salah satu masalah juga. Okay, so dia akan jadi 4. R kuasa 2 kuasa 2. R2 kuasa 2, jadi 9 lah. So, jadi 9 kali dengan 4, 36. Jadi R2 kuasa 2, 36. Jadi kalau kita nak cari R kuasa 2, R2 means that set 36. So, should be R2 is 6 meter. Okay, macam tu. Alright, so next dia kata find the distance at which the intensity of sound is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8 Weber per meter square. So where's distance? The distance. So maksudnya nak cari nilai R. Alright, so C. Intensity is equal to power divided by area is 4 pi R square. So intensity given in the question is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8. 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8. And then P is 80. 4 pi R square. Okay. So 80 divided by 1 exponent negative 8. And then divide by 4 pi. That's the answer. So you will get 2.52 times 10 to 4 meter. Okay. Alright. Okay. So you get the answers.